Here's the new orange bird mugs. Look at that. Sunshine oranges and locally grown. $24.99. That is so cute. And then they have cute little shirts. Look at this. What is this? What is this? It's a planter? Is it a planter? Oh, that would be cute, like a succulent in there. Oh, that's cute. I like that. Are you gonna buy it? No. That's a trash can salt and pepper shaker.
The designer bags though, so it's pricey. It's like $240.
Oh, look here. Cute. This watering can.
Yeah. So
That's cute, Brianna. It's such a cute on your patio.
yeah.
25 bucks. Put that back. Oh yeah, that's cute. Oh my word, look at these. How cute. Those are cute. How much are these? 25 bucks.
You get a discount.
Oh, okay. Those are really cute. I want those before, on the way out. Oh, look at the honey bottles. Honey jar.
Like little macarons, you know?
Oh, yeah.
And they're so cute. They only have 2 of them. But they're like 22 bucks. I think
What is
you
it
get
for?
2. They're the pins, the trading pins.
And they have them in nice boxes now.
Yeah, so they're surprise. You don't know which ones you're getting.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so there's like, these are the ones you can collect.
Uh-huh.
It's 22 bucks, so about 10 bucks a pin, which is normal. Like you could buy, you know, another pin.
Do they have the bird one? The orange bird?
You probably have to go over there.
They have some on the other side too if you turn it.
Yeah, these are just the boxes. These are just, like
Oh.
they come out with special collections.
Oh, okay.
But if you want to, like they have a pass holder pin in 2023.
Now, when did you get this orange bird purse?
Last year.
Ah, that's
But
cute.
did you see that this year's has the little drink thing attached to it? I don't know if I should get one of those pin boxes.
We're gonna look at the little kids' toys. Do you see the trains over here, Bruce?
But they're possible there.
Oh, that's for the flower and garden?
Yeah, they're like 20 bucks.
Where do-
Get sick.
I know.
Feeling better.
That's pretty. I know you look nice. Yeah, you look good. This is cute.
It is cute. That's cute.
These are probably too little for her. Oh yeah, for 3 and up.
Well, I think she just would put all those out.
Her birthday's coming up already. Look at the little mini shoes. Is it the trash can? Oh, that's cute. You can use it for ice bucket for composting. Because we're doing that right now for gardening.
That's so cute.
Yeah, storage container it is. Isn't that cute? Oh, yeah. Foaming hand soap. Oh my word, how cute. So it does a Mickey head on your skin? In your hand? Oh my word. And look at this nice plate with the ice creams. How much is it? This thing? Do you want it? Where'd you go?
It's $40.
Oh, $40. Let's see. That's pretty. I like that. Oh yeah, it seals. When you hit the button, it seals.
Sometimes I get happy when it rains. I'm like, yes.
Yeah. The butterfly is like this one right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I bought a butterfly bush, but I need to plant it.
These will probably do good in your backyard. They're like in the patient family. What do you mean? Oh, there is? Oh, wow.
Okay, so these are the Disney trading cards. These are the Disney princess pastries.
Okay.
These are the ones that you can get.
Oh, cool.
Oh no, I got Jasmine. That's cute.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah. So
That
it's
really
like,
makes it fun for the collecting, the trading
yeah.
and stuff.
So that if you get doubles, then you can. No. You get doubles, then you can trade. That's when you can trade the
So
pins.
possibly you might get the same one again.
It's possible.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so I got Jasmine. So it's not a double. I got Snow White.
Oh, that's
That's
cute.
cute.
I like the Snow White. Which ones are those? Oh, yeah. We have those, I think, or we used to.
Okay. There's a butterfly.
See any butterflies on? They don't have as many last year, huh?